Hi, good night. I am Christian Rodriguez, and I have chosen the experience of practice at expert extreme. 1 year ago, I have begun the rappelling in free fall and rappelling in decline with in, with with wall with wall. With practice of the sport, I have been a person a lot more active. Since I have practiced rappelling, I have met new partners. I have been in better physical state and I have had less stress. I have been able to really recommend a spectacular experience. Also, I have remembered that I have practiced taekwondo. In this sport, I have learned courtesy, kindness, and indomitable spirit. And although I haven't practiced, I have kept tuition as well as I have kept the partners. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.